In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tutorial series on WordPress.com. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refine your process, these steps will guide you through creating a cohesive and engaging series of posts on your WordPress blog. Let's dive right in. First, we'll head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel where all the magic happens. You can access it by logging into your WordPress account and navigating to the dashboard option. It's from here that we'll start building our tutorial series. Once you're at the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and find Posts. This is where all your blog content lives. Click on it and you'll see all your existing posts. And from here, we'll begin creating a new one. Next up, you'll want to add a new post. There's a button conveniently labeled Add Post, so go ahead and click that. This will open up a fresh page where you can start crafting your content. But before we get into writing, we need to make sure our posts are organized correctly, and that's where categories come in. Now, let's add a new category specifically for your tutorial series. This will help not only with organizing your posts, but also with providing your readers a clear path through your content. Find the Add Category option and create a category called something like Series, or perhaps a more descriptive name relating to the topic of your series. This will make it easy for your audience to follow along from one post to the next. With the category set, you're ready to publish your first post in the series. So look for the Publish button and give it a click. Just like that, your post is live for the world to see. However, our series is more than just one post, so let's keep going. After you've published, you'll create additional posts following the same steps. Each time, make sure to select your series category so that all posts are linked together. This process creates a seamless experience for readers following your tutorial from start to finish. When you're preparing each post, remember to include a link at the end that guides readers to the next installment in the series. This not only helps keep your series organized, but also encourages visitors to stay on your site longer, exploring your content. Finally, once you've published all posts in your series and linked them together, you will have a complete, connected tutorial on your blog. Your readers will appreciate the clear navigation and thoughtful organization, making your series not only instructive, but easy to follow. And there you have it. That's how you create a tutorial series on WordPress.com, from the dashboard to the finished product. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps make your blogging journey a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!